Okay, so we've seen this one before, and that was prepping it to take it to the show in California where they got into the top 6 in the world and they were robbed of the prize. Since then it's gone all the way around with the other ones that you've seen recently. It's done the 3,000 mile trip. I don't think this one's been on the road for as long as the other ones. It's nowhere near as dirty, but let me give it a quick rinse off so we can get the grime out of all the grooves and get it detailed so it's ready to go back in the showroom. Right, the bike is in, and as I suspected, it has come up pretty well, just with the quick wash. I've given this a quick wipe over as well with the cloths, just to get the watermarks off. I'm going to go through it properly as well and floss all of the spokes. And obviously all the brass needs doing properly, so I'm going to go over that as well. So these have gone really dull. So we go over all the shiny bits and make them shinier. More shiny. That's all the brass done. Now we're just going to polish the tank. There's just a few watermarks on the top of the tank there, so I'm just going to give it a really light polish to get rid of that.